What are the signs that the brake fluid change is needed? Yeah, as we can see, it was very dirty. Okay, pump, hold it, open it, close it, pump. And if you have a double disc brake, you should do the same thing on the other side. Hi guys, welcome back to the channel, welcome back to another maintenance episode. This is Suzuki 650 Bandit, and today we are gonna change the brake fluid. It is a 10 minutes, maybe 15 minutes job, and basically you have to prepare everything before you start doing it. And now I'm gonna show you firstly what you need. The things that we need. This is a screwdriver, a small one. This is a normal, let's say, key, and we need number 8. This is a knife, let's say, to cut a hole here, because we will have the old fluid going here inside. This is an Allen key for the rear brake cover, and this is just let's say normal hose that goes on the caliper. And normally we need the brake fluid. What are the signs that you should change the brake fluid? First of all, if you see it and it is very dark, then you should change it. If it's very old, I mean older than 2 years, you should change it. And it also absorbs moisture from the air, and that is also the reason why it is really not appropriate to keep it too long inside the system. So it is something that everyone should do, and brakes are crucial, guys, for our safety. So let's see what it's the process right now. Here it's the fluid reservoir, and inside here we can see that the fluid is already dirty. So we're gonna replace it here with the new fluid. I'm gonna unscrew these 2 screws and get the access to the fluid. After that, we are gonna remove this cover and put a hose here and start bleeding the brake. First of all, I will make a hole here for the hose to go inside. Let's see now. Yeah, it's okay, I think. Yeah. It is very important to cover the area around here with a cloth to prevent the fluid to reach the handlebar or plastics or similar, because the fluid is quite aggressive. Yeah, this is the first cover, and this is the other cover. Be careful. Yeah. As we can see, it is quite dirty. We should remove the cover of the caliper, and even before we should put something on the ground in case if there is gonna be any leaking. And now this is the bottle, and this hose should go here on the caliper. Just be careful, and it should be tied on. And now we have to pump the brake a bit, hold it, pump again, hold it, open it, close it, pump again, hold it, open it, close it, pump again, hold it, open it, close it. So we removed, let's say, 1/3 of the fluid, and let's continue, and then we will put inside the new one. Pump again, hold it, open it, close it, pump again. Let's put the fluid inside. Okay, hold it, open it, close it, pump, hold it, open it, close it. As we can see, it's time to put some more fluid inside. And we should repeat this process till we see that the fluid is clean. And if you have a double disc brake, you should do the same thing on the other side. Let's put everything together. So this is here. Be careful, because the fluid should be inside. And this plastic was here. And now the rear brake. So this is number 4, the Allen key. We should remove this bolt here, and the plastic will go out. I really don't know when the fluid was changed, so this is the best thing to change at the front and at the rear at the same time. So this one, it's not so dirty, but we will change it anyway. 1, 2, 3, 4. Hold it, open it, close it. 1, 2, 3, 4. Hold it, open it, close it. Let's put inside the fluid now, and we should repeat the process again till we see that the fluid is clean. 1, 2, 3, 4. Hold it, open it, close it. 1, 2, 3, 4. Hold it, open it, close it. I inserted some more fresh fluid, and now I think it's okay. Yeah, as we can see, it was very dirty. Here you can see the difference between the new one on the left and the old one on the right. This is all, guys. This was the brake fluid change on the Suzuki Bandit 650. I hope that you enjoyed. I hope that it's gonna be useful for at least some of you. It takes around 30, 35, 40 minutes to do it. Be careful, take your time, and have fun. Thanks for watching, guys. Please do me a favor and subscribe, and till the next one.